Hey Vanessa, it's Kim Salgado. I'm in your class. I'm in your class, I'm in your grade book. As you can see, here's your class. And I went ahead and popped down to Rashad Estes's grades, and I was able to input the 0. So I'm going to show you what I did. I had to go into the grade all section of it. And then I'm going to try and make my screen big so you can see it here. And all I did was pop in the 0. I'm going to pop in a number 1 so you can see that it will at least work. And when I put that there, I then have to make sure that the screen is totally maximized. So make sure that your button up here has maximized your full screen, and when that happens, this save and close button is down here. So after I put in the number 1, I hit save and close. It says you're about to save changes. Are you sure? And I say yes. And then it does its little thing for a second, and then poof, the number 1 is there. So I don't know what the grade is supposed to be. I'm assuming it's probably supposed to be a 0. I'm going to let you go back in and practice this on your own. Let me know if you have any more trouble or any other questions. Thanks so much. Have a great day and have a great Easter. Bye-bye.